cannot believe Sir Gareth thinks we need these stupid friendship bracelets.
This is the worst thing ever. But at least I can do this.
I wanted to flip just then.
Guys, just friend up. It's not that hard.
Watch. Hey, Prudy, wanna come see me win the Pixie Pong tournament?
I'd love to. Friendship.
Or Prudy could use her giant strength to pull these bracelets apart.
Yeah, that does seem a lot easier than trying to teach you two a lesson. Ow! That's strong magic.
If it's magic, make way for the magic man. Release your ropey rope. Why did I wear a rope belt today?
Well, I guess you guys are just gonna have to stop competing and become friends. Have fun.
Of all the times to get us stuck together, why do you have to do it on the day my sister's coming back?
I didn't do anything. You're the one that left me hanging in the air.
I'm not missing my sister's reception.
All right, well, everyone will know your secret if you show up with me.
Oh, I'm not showing up with you. I'm showing up with Gertrude.
This totally isn't gonna work.
Of course it will. I'll just introduce you as my Duchess friend from Curtsy Camp.
Woo! I'm gonna be a duchess! I mean, I hate this.